How to create AI-powered tab groups in Chrome on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to let Chrome automatically sort your open tabs into organized groups. First, open Chrome on your computer. After that, make sure you're signed into your personal Google account with Chrome Sync turned on, since this feature requires it. From there, open several tabs on different topics to give Chrome something to organize. At this point, click on the small down arrow icon at the top left corner of the tab strip. In the next step, click on Organize Tabs from the menu that appears. Following this, Chrome will scan your open tabs and suggest groups based on their content. Once done, review each suggested group and toggle individual ones on or off if you don't want them all. From here, click on Create Groups to apply the suggestions. At this stage, right-click on any tab and select Organize Similar Tabs instead if you only want to group a few specific tabs. Keep in mind, if you have sensitive tabs open, such as banking or medical accounts, it's worth checking Chrome's privacy details before running this feature. Finally, right-click on any created group and click Save Group if you want it to persist even after closing Chrome. And that's it. If this guide helped you create AI-powered tab groups in Chrome on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.